be fucked up if you can't be right there. Oh, I'll be fucked up if you can't be right there. I do the same thing I told you that I never.
We are here with Aeropostale. Maddie invited me with this cute little spread. We're in Delaware and we're going to Firefly, and this is the room. So glam. We got some Chick-fil-A. Gonna eat that now. I got a wrap and we're gonna get ready to go to the festival if it stops raining, actually, because it's kind of bad weather, but the rest of the weekend should be good to go. Day one outfit. We have our VIP bands. Oh, the girls just got here. We made it to Firefly and it's raining. And these shoes are about to get completely destroyed. We're in VIP, y'all. Just got our drink. It's the next morning, and these will be much needed today. But it's such a nice day. So Maddie and I just went to TJ Maxx because, actually, let me just show you our shoes from yesterday. We tried washing them, and this is the aftermath, and they're soaking wet. So I didn't pack any other shoes. Maddie only packed these boots that I'm wearing. So we went to TJ, and we got the same pair of shoes to wear today. Just $20, sincerely Jules Converse looking things. Socks to go with. And it's like chilly, and I didn't bring a zip up, so just a black zip up. So we're gonna shower and get ready. Day 2 outfit is this jumpsuit thing from We Wore What. And necklaces are Fraser Sterling. Wristbands, Firefly. And shoes are me and Maddie's new little purchase for the weekend. Super. Wait, it's not focusing, but you get the gist.
I'm wearing gum this time because I didn't have yesterday.
I also put 2 braids in my hair. Maddie did too. Here's Maddie's look, full arrow.
Full arrow and TJ Maxx.
Arrow, TJ
Maxx. It's affordable.
Also forgot to show you my fanny pack from Adidas. Just a cute little touch. Day 2. We're walking in. It is such a nice day. VIP, humble brag. Oh my god, they're doing legit haircuts at the salon. Flo Millie up next. Get rich, I'ma have to hit a lick, yo. Wait, this is great. Day three. So that's another golf. And now we're on our way to the drive brunch with Miss Scarlett. We just got brisket, mac and cheese. That is probably going to keep me full for the next 3 days. Looks insane. Just vlogging our little ice cream pies. Headed to see Black Bear.
I'm gonna need that love on stage at one point.
We just got Wawa and it's Sunday and we're headed home. We both got the coffee and bagel sandwiches and Funyuns and M&Ms. I'm going on a full detox cleanse this week. Pit stop at Krispy Kreme. I just got, and yes, we just couldn't be eating worse. Wait, look at that belt. They all get glazed through there. It's actually really cool. Hey you guys, so I'm headed to an event with Addison Rae, and here's my fit. I was at an event with her for her Item Beauty 2 weeks ago, last week, and this is for her Pandora sponsorship, and Charli XCX is performing. It's at the DUMBO house in Brooklyn, and I'm gonna be late in like 4 minutes, so I have to go. But I wanted to show you my outfit before I left. This little set, which I wish I steamed, but I don't have time, is from We Were What. And then this is from Parallel Apparel. Shoes, I don't remember. I want to say Pretty Little Thing, maybe. And yeah, I got ready in like under 20 minutes because I had to finish work, and yeah, don't mind all my hats, but this is the look. I'm gonna go film the whole thing, and it's from 6 to 10, so it's a really long event, but it's dinner, a performance, view of the whole Pandora collection and stuff. So I'm gonna call my Uber and bring you guys along. I just got this custom Pandora bracelet made. It's so cute. Obsessed with the little green. Miss Addison. So pretty. Benny Drama is here and I'm freaking out, guys. I'm obsessed with him. And here's Addison. This is insane. Queen Aquaria. So sad.
Good. I like ripped the back of my dress on the way here, and so now I'm really worried.
Is it like
the zipper?
climbing? Okay. It was like an Esquire.
It's the best pasta I've ever had. Cacio e pepe with truffle. Sick.
I'll be fucked up if you can't be right.